Bore da I chi, pawb yn clywed weis, newch chi gymeru ddysgu sgwylwch yn dda. Croeso wrth gwrs I Dathlu Syniadau Mawr Cymru. Welcome to the Prisha Jones Hall here at Bangor University for this year's Big Ideas Wales celebrated.
Mae heddiw yn ddiwrnod ardderchog I mi. Mae y braidd yn nerfus i'r bobl ifanc, ond basically mae gennym ni ddiwrnod yn llawn o bobl ifanc yn dangos I syniadau ardderchog nhw gan obeithio cychwyn busnes yn y dyfodol. Nefoedd ar ddaear.
Before this, we wouldn't even have thought about opening our own business or anything. So this has really helped us with thinking of ideas and putting us out there and just thinking of something that we could do to help make an impact. So yeah.
Mae'n blatfform I bobl ifanc gallu dangos pa sgiliau sydd gyda nhw, pa llwyddiannau. Mae hefyd rhoi cyfle iddyn nhw gyfarfod efo pobl sy'n gweithio mewn diwydiannau gwahanol, cael sgwrs efo pobl, cael chydig bach o hints and tips.
I'm really impressed by the number of entrepreneurs that are actually looking at social objectives in what they're trying to do and how they can help others improve their education or help people into work, raise confidence, improve aspiration.
Be sy'n hyd yn oed gwell am y dathliad yma ydy bod y pobl ifanc yn actually rhoi syniadau ar bapur ac yn actually creu pethau a mae o'n blesar I weld pobl ifanc mor creadigol o'n cwmpas ni yma yn Gogledd Cymru.
It's important to encourage and support the future generations because they are the future. We need innovation and creativity more than ever. And we now live in a digital world which facilitates that. You know, there's no better time than now to set up a business. There's so many resources and tools and support available. The time is now.
The ideas are absolutely amazing. The confidence of the young people is astounding and we're having a really fantastic day.
Mae NatWest Cymru yn falch iawn I wedi bod yn cefnogi heddiw. Mae pethau fel heddiw yn pwysig iawn I ni yn Cymru. Mae'n pethau I ni cael helpu pobl ar y llwybyr hyd at agor busnes eu hunan.
Mae'n bod yn anrhydedd ac yn ysbrydoliaeth I fod yma yn eich busnes chi heddi. It's been an honour, it's been a privilege, it's been an inspiration to be amongst you. I always feel that with Big Ideas Wales.
Cyfle I ein busnes I tyfu fwy.
A lot of the judges on the panel have all given us really helpful feedback as to how to approach the next steps of the business.
The atmosphere has been fantastic and everyone's been just so friendly and helpful.
We've got some more confidence in our business and within each other and that we can go further with this.
Os ydych chi wedi trial a chi heb mynd trwy gyda dod i'r Big Ideas Wales celebrated, dewch, mae rhaid I chi ddod, mae'n cyfle ffantastig.